Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to upload a resume in Naukri. So Naukri is one of the #1 job portal in India. So without wasting our time, so let's see how we can upload a resume in the Naukri step by step. First, select the one browser. I'm selecting Google Chrome browser. So in the Google search bar, just type Naukri login. Okay, and select login button here. Okay, so you can see here login button, email ID or username and password. So first you need to register with naukri.com. Okay, so here is the register button. Okay, so this is the register button. Okay, you just click on the register for free. Okay, and here you can see two options. So if you are a fresher, you can click this button. If you are a professional, then you can select this option. So I am uploading a resume for 3 years of experience candidate. So that is the reason I'm selecting I am a professional candidate option. Okay, now we can see here name, email ID, create password. You have to fill these blanks. Just click here a name. You just type it like Lakshman. Okay, and enter email ID like job lucky@gmail.com. Okay, I have to enter password. So whatever password you enter, you just enter the password. Okay, and you have to enter here your mobile number, and you have to fill your total work experience. I'm just filling 3 years experience and months 3 years 3 months. Okay, and select this option, upload resume or copy paste your resume, and your resume must be in the format of MS Word or PDF. Okay, you just click on the upload resume. Okay, so wherever your profile is available in computer, you just click it, select it. Okay, and then click on the register now button. Okay, so now it will ask you your current designation. So current designation like a software engineer or software developer. Okay, and current company. So whatever company you are working, you can choose that one. So I'm just specifying here some dummy company. So like HP, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, and annual salary you have to mention here. Suppose 4 lakhs. Okay, 4 lakhs, or you can mention whatever you are earning, 7 lakhs. Okay, 15,000, and work since, from when you are working. Okay, 2018. Okay, current city, you can mention your current city. If you are working in Bangalore, you just mention Bangalore, and the notice period you can mention 2 months or 3 months, you can mention. And skills, what are the skills you have? Core Java, okay, Spring Boot, okay, and Oracle. You just select what are the skills, relevant skills you just mention here. Okay, and also like microservices, AWS. So what are the skills you know? Just mention AngularJS, and React.js. Okay. Now you have to fill this education details. Okay. So if you are completed post-graduation, then post-graduation, and course. So if you completed course MCA or something, just MCA, specialization computers. So here you can mention your institute, whatever the institute you have completed. Okay, and so it is full time. And passing, yeah, you just mention whenever you are passing out here. Okay, and all other education, if you want to mention, you can mention, otherwise you can leave it. Okay, and then continue. So here you have to mention your preferred work location. Where would you like to work your work location, like Bangalore, okay, Chennai or Hyderabad, whatever the location. So whatever the location you are interested, you can mention those things. Okay, and so that's it. The finally select the your gender, male. Okay, and then click the submit button. That's it. So this is the process to upload a profile in the Naukri job portal. So if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I will reply to your queries. So thank you very much.